Hey Rockstars, happy Tuesday.
Hey, how's everybody doing today? I figured I'd just go live on here and say, what's up, what's happening? We know it's foggy outside, we know things are a little bit wet, but it's not freezing. You're not going to die if you go outside, I promise. Look, we're out, we're doing just fine. Don't use the weather as an excuse to get your butt up today and get out and make stuff happen.
You don't become successful in this business just by working on the days where it's nice and sunny out, where it's convenient. You have to work every single day and treat it as a business.
Success doesn't care one bit if it's foggy outside or if it's raining outside or if it's freezing or hailing. Success doesn't care. So, you got to make it happen. We are heading over right now to the Meritage Homes model in the Oaks of North Chase subdivision. I'm going to post a link again in the comments here for the event, but we're having a kick-ass mega open house training lunch and learn. They've ordered lots and lots of barbecue from Blanco Barbecue, so we're going to have that. We've got plenty, so don't worry about that, and we've got space for more. So we do hope that you're going to join us and come out. You've got time to head over there still. We're not starting till 11:30. We'll go till 1, so even if you're not going to be right on time, we still want you to come and join us. So if you know of any other agents that want to come too, feel free to invite them or just bring them with you, whatever it is, but get your butt up, get over there, and we'll see you.
And even